This is Albert from Surreals College, answering your tech questions. Today I'm covering how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Some instructors utilize quizzes and videos from publishers, websites who utilize pop-ups. You will need to make adjustments to your browser to allow these pop-ups. To get started, let's go to the menu button. Then we want to go down to Settings. Then we want to choose Privacy and Security Site Settings. Then we want to scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects. And we want to allow pop-ups. And we could also add the site's URL to enable the pop-ups for that particular site. So we would add our URL here and click Add. And that's it. That's how easy it is to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Thank you.